Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Jiva vacha kasmin janmani amimahayam pitaro mataro abavan karmami brahmayamanasya devatiryan yonishu. By the mystic power of Narad Muni, the living entity re-entered the dead body for a short time and spoke in reply to Narad Muni's request. He said, according to the results of my fruitive activities, I, the living being, transmigrate from one body to another, sometime going to the species of the demigods, sometime to the species of the lower animals, sometime among the vegetables, and sometime to the human species. Therefore, in which birth were these my mother and father? No one is actually my mother and father. How can I accept these two people as my parents? So this is Narad Muni's Leela. Narad Muni is living on truth, completely on a stage of not only there's generally the people stages involved in material affairs, संसार में मोह माया में फंसे हुए जनरली सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं. They are stuck in the material relations. And then little better are the people who understand that are the duty. I have to do certain things, but actually I am not the body, I am a spirit soul. Better. But Narad Muni is much more exalted than that. He is drinking the pleasure of service to Krishna. Right? It is said, ocean. What we are drinking is, everybody is drinking some pleasure. What kind of pleasure we are drinking? Through the samsara, material relation. How are you? I am very fine. कैसे? बहुत खुश हैं. बस उसी को हम पी रहे हैं और उसमें कोई संतुष्ट नहीं होता. उसके ऊपर कौन हो गए? जिनको ब्रह्मन का ज्ञान हो गया. करेक्ट? जो मेडिटेट करते हैं और ब्रह्मन निराकार उसको दर्शन का कोशिश करते हैं. लेकिन एक उसके ऊपर ही बहुत स्पेशल है जो जनरली मालूम नहीं है किसी को. व्हाट इज दैट? जो भगवान की सेवा का आनंद. जैसे जप करते हैं एक आनंद आता है. ये कौन सा आनंद है? ये एक्चुअली ब्रह्मानंद के भी ऊपर चला जाता है. इसमें दुनिया में क्या है? सबसे बड़ा आनंद क्या है? व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेजर इन दिस वर्ल्ड? सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. ग्रेटेस्ट प्लेजर क्या है? सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. इधर है तमिल, इधर है कन्नड़ा, उधर है हिंदी. What is the greatest pleasure in this world? Sense gratification. Greatest pleasure. उसके ऊपर the great people are there, they are able to reject sense gratification. इंद्रिय भोग is useless. इंद्रिय भोग में कुछ नहीं है. That is better. They better. लेकिन उसके ऊपर भी कुछ लोग हैं. That is not known to society. What enjoyment? Narada is what is doing? Always chanting Narayana, Narayana. Which Ananda is experiencing? Above Brahmananda. He is even above Brahmananda. He is experiencing great devotion to Narayana. Therefore, Narad Muni met anybody. He is like Chintamani. He touches, he becomes a great devotee. What is the example he touched? Vedavyasa. Vedavyasa was writing so much Vedic literature, but he was not glorifying Lord Vishnu. He was not glorifying Krishna. He was writing all Puranas, he wrote everything he wrote, but he could not focus and glorify the personal qualities of Krishna. So many Upanishads written everything. Brahman, 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 Brahman. But then he was frustrated by that effort. So who came? Narada came. Chintamani. अरे ना वेद व्यास क्या कर रहे हो? You are an avatara of the Lord. But what are you doing? You are not glorified the personal qualities of the Lord. Just like one more incarnation of the Lord is Dattatreya. He also did not focus on that. अरे वेद व्यास जी क्या कर रहे हो? You are frustrated. Yeah, you are frustrated. You have to now glorify. Now glorify the Lord. Sit for meditation, my dear disciple. Imagine God is his disciple. Krishna is happy to become servant of his devotees. So he is instructing him, now you further enhance your spiritual realization and glorify the Lord. Very mysterious. Anyway, Krishna is accepting. Krishna knows everything, but he is always happy to be subordinate to his devotees. Krishna takes great pleasure to become. When Narad Muni used to come to Krishna's palace, what Krishna used to do? तो नारद मुनि कृष्ण के पैलेस में आते थे, द्वारका में, तो क्या करते थे कृष्ण जी? उनके पैर धोते थे. उनका सेवक है, बट ही टेक्स ग्रेट प्लेजर. नॉट ओनली ही इज एज अ किंग प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ अ किंग. कोई लोग बोल सकते हैं अरे राजा का काम कर रहे हैं तो राजा को तो सन्यासी को आदर करना चाहिए. वही नहीं. कृष्णा इज वेरी हैप्पी सर्विंग हिज डिवोटीज. इज वेरी हैप्पी. That is why it is said there is no person better than to serve Krishna. Arjuna served Krishna whole life, agreed. Then Krishna served him in the war, no? Very happily carrying the chariot. If you do some service to Krishna, Krishna is thinking how to return it. अगर आप अभी एक माला बना के भगवान के गले में लगाए, भगवान सोच रहे हैं मैं भी लगाता हूँ. Because this is the relationship of love. मेट्रोलोड में ऐसा होता है क्या? होता है. कोई आपका ड्राइवर है, मैं आपका ड्राइवर बनता हूँ आज. ऐसा नहीं होता. होता है क्या? सम पर्सन इज कमिंग टू वॉश योर डिशेज एंड यू से आई विल कम नाउ, है ना? पैसा. एंड दे आर यूजिंग, एक्सप्लॉइटिंग, बट देयर इज नो लव. बट हियर द सर्विस इज आउट ऑफ लव. देयर इज अ ग्रेट प्लेजर. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली इवन हायर देन ब्रह्मानंद. अभी सबसे सर्वोत्तम लोग क्या सोचते हैं? इंद्रिय भोग अगर बूंद है तो ब्रह्मानंद सागर है. ब्रह्मानंद मतलब हम ब्रह्मास्मि, तत्वमसि. लेकिन ये एक ज्ञान सोसाइटी में नहीं है. इसके ऊपर भी एक आनंद है. व्हाट इज दैट आनंद? कृष्णानंद, सर्विस टू कृष्णा. एंड नारदा इज स्विमिंग इन दैट ओशन ऑफ प्लेजर. एंड हियर ही हैज कम टू मीट चित्रकेतु. इमेजिन नाउ, नारदा का पोजीशन समझ आएगा किधर है? सुप्रीम पोजीशन. एंड हेयर ही चित्रकेतु, बच्चा मर गया, बच्चा मर गया. कितना डिफरेंस. तो जब तक डिफरेंस नहीं होगा आप प्रीचिंग नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप भी उस लेवल में है तो क्या प्रचार करोगे? आप भी जाओगे, आप भी रोने लग जाओगे. भगवत गीता में क्या होता? अर्जुन वाज क्राइंग. तो हम लोग क्या करते? इफ यू वर देयर, हम भी बैठ कर रोते उसके साथ. नो, कृष्णा इज ऑन. कृष्णा इज द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड. ही इज ऑन टोटल ट्रूथ. जस्ट लाइक इन स्कूल में समझ लो, अगर आप फर्स्ट, यू हैव पास्ड फर्स्ट क्लास, यू कैन टीच फर्स्ट क्लास पर्सन, करेक्ट? इफ यू आर 10th पास, यू कैन टीच 9th पास पर्सन. एक क्लास कम पढ़ा सकते हो. अगर आप भी सेम लेवल में तो क्या बात करोगे? देयर इज नथिंग टू टीच. यू ऑल्सो ज्वाइन द क्लास ओनली. बेटर, नो? तो स्पिरिचुअली ऑल्सो सी देयर इज अ ग्रेट डिफरेंस. वेयर इज नारद मुनि, वेयर इज चित्रकेतु? Chitraketu say actually he was a nice king, pious person. Some Sattva-guna was there. It's all not, but Kshatriyas were more in Rajoguna. Therefore he's seeing so much attachment. And here is Narada, full spiritual happiness. He is laughing. Whereas similarly it is said in Bhagavad Gita also, when Arjuna gives by Krishna's grace, he comes to some situation. We cannot actually estimate Arjuna's position. It is not possible to estimate. Why? Because he is a dear devotee of the Lord. You cannot touch his, we cannot measure his consciousness. We should not try to measure great devotees of the Lord. It will become aparadha. But whatever it is, he started expressing in a very strange way, my family, Swadanahi, Katham Krishna, Krishna my own man, Karpanda dosha, Upahata Savaba, Prichami Tvam. No, not this one. Tam Tatha Kripaya Vishram, Ashupuna Vishidantamidam Vyakam, Uvaj Madhusudana. Second chapter, first shloka is tears. Ashrupunakshu Lekshana. The eyes are full of tears. Vishidantamidam Vakyam Uvaj Madhusudana. So Krishna saw that. And after seeing that, what happened to Krishna? Did Krishna cry? Krishna smiled. Hey Arjuna, what happened to you? Why you are behaving like a Napunsak? Napunsak is an insult. Important person. What happened to you? You are a Kshatriya. You should fight. Huh? Krishna is very smiling. It is said, after Arjuna now surrenders to Krishna, the famous shloka, Karpena dosha upata sabhava prichami tvam dharma samud chetaha yashyam nishchitam bruhitan me shishyasteham sadi mam tvam prapannam. So when Arjuna surrenders, after Arjuna surrenders, Krishna starts the Bhagavad Gita. Correct? But before speaking, Krishna smiles. Why is he smiling? Because foolishness. He is on a much higher platform. Correct? Arjuna showed a behavior like Chitraketu, so much attached to his family members, and what will happen if my family members die. Correct? Just like Chitraketu is showing. And therefore instructions come. Ashochan anumar shochastam pragyavadam sabhashase gatasunu agatasunu chananu shochanti. Pandita Arjuna, you are unnecessarily lamenting. Why you are lamenting? For what you are lamenting? So similarly, Narad Muni wants to tell him for what you are lamenting. He instructed him already. And now Narad Muni, he is not ordinary. It is said, devotee ke paas sari siddhi hoti hai. Not ordinary devotees, great devotees. Because Krishna is Yogeshwara. The example of Ambarish Maharaj and Durvasa. Durvasa Muni tried to show siddhi to Ambarisha. He was protected by the Lord. So devotee has actually all the siddhis. Why? He is at the feet of Krishna. And those who are totally surrendered to the Lord, they also become Satya Sankalpa. Krishna's one name is Satya Sankalpa. Whatever he wishes, it happens. Prabhupada says, let there be creation, creation happened. That be Krishna's power. He thinks, it happens. You think it happens? You think बड़ा महल होगा बैठेंगे उसमें अब सोचते ही रहो मन में बनाते रहो मैं नहीं बनने वाला. But devotee, he thinks it happens. Satya Sankalpa. In fact, devotees become so great, they can offer Manas Puja also to the Lord. They can in the mind offer millions of roses to Krishna. They can make. There are so many nice examples given in Chaitanya Charitamrita, where devotee offers. Lord Chaitanya is walking from Jagannath Puri. He is walking and he is meditating. He is making a path for Lord Chaitanya made of jewels in which he is walking. And so much the meditation was clear that he felt the Lord Chaitanya is entering his place and then he is eating the feast which he has cooked. So much meditation is going on. And it's all fact. There was one example where one devotee was offering to the Lord various items, including one sweet rice. Now, sweet rice should be cold. Correct? Sweet rice ka taste zyada aata hai jab wo thanda hota hai. It should not be hot. So he wanted to check whether it is cold. So in his mind only, Manas Puja is doing. He has nothing to cook. He wants to touch whether it is hot. He is touching with the finger. And Narayana wants to have some fun. He burns his finger. He gets up from his meditation. Finger is burnt. And Narayana is there and start laughing in Vaikuntha. And he says, I am so happy with the service. He sent Vishnu to bring him. So they take him to Vaikuntha. So like that actually, so mind also for a devotee, if you become pure, becomes Satya Sankalpa. What you desire happens. Already see on the way it is. So Narad Muni wishes that the child get up. Child is already on the way to another body. Siddhi of Narada, child comes back to the life and starts talking. This is unbelievable. Correct? Can we understand this can happen? No. Why? Krishna can do anything. Narada also can do anything. Because he is a pure devotee of Krishna. So all the siddhis, Prabhupada used to say, you may find it is inconceivable how it can happen. Prabhupada said that is the definition of God. If you do not understand God is inconceivable, you have not understood what is God. God means inconceivable. Correct? When you look at the creation, we can't actually even understand. In a single cell, there are billions of chemicals. Trillions of such cells are in my body. And how the body is functioning, no supercomputer can also handle it. It is too intricate. How it is? Inconceivable. Why? It is God's work. You cannot reach by your small mind the God's work. That example we gave many times. There was once one rishi. He went to Brahma. See, Brahma ji, आप जो सोच रहे हैं एक क्षण के लिए मेरे को भी सोचना है. एक क्षण के लिए. Only 1 second. Brahma ji said it's not possible. See, I have 4 heads, not one. Like उसमें बोलते हैं quad core, बड़ा processor है. We are small, cannot handle. Brahma is whole the universe. Sometimes it happens, festival time, I always get very heavy headache. Why? एक टाइम में 1000 चीज हमारा नहीं होता. सब में ऐसा होता है कि head will burst. Always. Somehow it has been always like that. ठीक है? There are too many things. Many things together means head start bursting. So Brahma says, better don't ask for the siddhi, you can't handle. नहीं चाहिए. एक क्षण, खाली एक क्षण के लिए. आप एक टाइम में क्या क्या सोचते रहते हैं, एक हमारा एक क्षण के लिए जरा हमको एक्सपीरियंस दीजिए. So Brahma said, tathastu. His head burst. He can't handle. So similarly, if you want, you cannot even imagine how Krishna is handling. Brahma is only maintaining one small universe. And he is very important. Everything in the universe going is under. He is a supervisor, CEO. Krishna is maintaining billions and trillions of universes, billions of Brahmas. Just imagine what is going in Krishna's brain. And then, this is just Ekapad Vibhuti, 1/4 of the creation. Tripad Vibhuti is the spiritual world. And a spiritual world, much more devotees are there. Now, how many people are in city, how many are in jail? Which is more? Jail people are more or city people are more? City people are more. Correct? Jail will be 1,000, 2,000 people in Mangalore. And city are how much? 5-6 lakh people. Correct? No. Always it is more. 500 times more. So similarly, there are much more people in the spiritual world. That is also going in Krishna's brain. Just imagine. And after that, he's not having headache. Prabhupada says perfectly is managing everything. Perfectly. Okay, so Krishna's potency is inconceivable. You try to conceive, you will go crazy. Therefore, understand don't try to measure Krishna. This mistake Indra did. What happened finally? He tried to measure Krishna. What happened finally? Defeated. Shocked. With one finger only Krishna lifted the mountain. It's inconceivable. Similarly, Brahma ने भी कृष्ण को थोड़ा एक measure करने की कोशिश किया. What happened? He was about to faint. When all the coward boys and cows became Narayana, Brahma was about to faint actually. All the Narayanas were being worshipped. Brahma could not even handle that. And this is Brahma. When Krishna displayed the potency to Brahma, correct? Brahma Vimohan Leela, जब तक कृष्ण ने अपनी शक्ति दिखाई, ब्रह्मा का मतलब खुद समझनिए क्या हो रहा है. इतने नारायणा, उनकी सारी energies, all are worshipping Krishna. You cannot understand. Brahma was also about it. Therefore, Prabhupada says, don't try to understand Krishna too much. As much the Shastra gave, that much is enough. Try to love Krishna. Just like Mother Yashoda never tried to measure Krishna. She never tried to test Krishna. Indra tested Krishna. Brahma tested Krishna. Don't try to test. Prabhupada said, try to love him. But how do you develop love for Krishna? You have to say to the pure devotees. Just like you see, Prabhupada writes a beautiful book called Krishna book. You read the book? Beautiful. See, not only Prabhupada tells Krishna Leela, साथ में Prabhupada gives so much philosophy. Why? We have to properly understand Krishna. That much enough. That much we understand Krishna. That is enough. Correct? Too much you cannot. You want to understand how the Paramatma is sitting in the region of the heart with the size like this. You cannot understand. It's inconceivable. Shastra gives an example. The size Paramatma itna यहाँ पे. क्या समझ आएगा हमको? है? आप समझ सकते हो? नहीं समझ सकते. जितना शास्त्र में बताया उतना काफी. आगे अभी नहीं समझ आएगा. तुम नहीं समझ सकते. जितना दिया उतना समझ लो, खुश रहो. But what you should try to do? Lovingly serve Krishna. It is not we are saying avoid knowledge. As much given, that much. Don't try to speculate more than that. What is given in the Shastra by the Acharya, that much. But try to love Krishna. Try to serve Krishna. And then Krishna will reveal. Atash Krishna Namadi na bhaved grahim indriye sevon mukhe jivado swayameva spurati adaha. Krishna is, when you offer, come forward. Atash Krishna Namadi na bhaved grahim indriye. By gross senses you cannot understand. Sevon mukhe jivado. Come forward to serve Krishna with service spirit. Swayameva spurati adaha. Krishna will reveal himself to you. And the life will feel blissful and perfect. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.
Hare